So children, as ma'am said, we are going to learn new things. In that, the second one is questioning words. What is a questioning words, children? A questioning words means an interrogative word or a question word is a function word used to ask a question, children. Uh, in Ask a question. It is a big family, children. In this questioning words family, you have more than 10, which have same to same, almost all. It describes about sometimes person, sometimes the places, sometimes about the timing, sometimes it depends upon each and every questioning word, children. Ma'am will teach you one by one. Okay. So, and these are sometimes we will call it as like a WH words also in English, because most of them starts with WH word, WH letters in English, children. Look at here. I'll just underline for you. WH, 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 WH. Look at here. Almost each and every question word has in the beginning WH, 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 right? You can also observe that, right, children? So, and these words used both like a direct or indirect questions, children. To ask a question, we can use them as a directly or indirectly also. So it's a big family, right, children? Uh, and how we look like a sibling, say, if you see, sometimes you look like your mom, or you look like your dad, or your sister might look like you, right, children? Like that. This is a big family. Questioning family is a questioning words are a big family which has same, similar. Look at here. All the questioning words will have the beginning two letters are same to same. Each and every word carries WH, 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 WH. Right, children? So the first word we are going to learn is who. We are going to learn who. Today, ma'am will introduce you who, how to read and what it refers. We will learn, children. Okay. So how to read this who? This is WHO, right, children? Whenever you think about questioning words, you should put in your mind the beginning two letters are WH. WH. You need to put it in that. And only you need to add O. So when you say the word who, WH is already in your mind and you need to add only O because your mouth is coming like this. Who. The last ending word is who. O. You need to write. So it's easy, right? WHO. In that word, when you are reading the spelling only, you will come to know how to read it. WHO. Who. Right, children? So in that way, you can read and you can write it also. Just you need to remember each and every questioning word will have the beginning two letters are WH. And who. O. That's all. Now, for example, what it is, what it refers. Who is calling? Who is calling? Who will reach the phone first? Means who is just see, look at you. It describes only about the person and people, children. It describes about a person or a people, like specifically about one person or a group of people. People means only group of, right? So and who is only used to refer to the a person or a people. Okay, children. So it means if you want to know about a person or if you want to know about a group of people, you will start with who. It's a questioning. Suppose I want to know who is going to finish first. Then you might say your name, ma'am. I am, because I'm referring. The who is referring about a person or a people, children. And for example, I can tell you like who is the Prime Minister of the India, right, children? So I'm asking, I want to know who is about a person, who is a person of the Prime Minister of India, right? So and at the same way, like who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka? Means I wanted to know, we all wanted to know, means the question, we are questioning who is a question word, right, children? It refers to use only about people or person. At the same time, who is the principal of Train Brain Preschool? You all must know, right, children? So in this way, we are using this who refers only a person and people, children. It will not describe about other things. It just describes about the person or a people, children. Like you can ask your friends whenever you are playing. Suppose if you are playing a hide and seek, you might ask if someone is passing there, you are playing and sorry